Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I get my press-on nails to stay on for 2 weeks plus. So as you can see, I have the hands of a 12-year-old boy. I promise you, I am a 20-plus-year-old woman. But we're about to transform these nails. So what you're going to need is an alcohol pad, a cuticle pusher if you're doing a manicure at home, cuticle nippers. Again, this is optional if you're doing a manicure at home. And this is how I do my manicures. I use a portable drill to do a dry manicure. You're also going to need primer, and nail glue. Okay, so the key to keeping your press-on nails or acrylic nails on for a long period of time is prep. I highly recommend you give yourself a manicure or you go to a reputable nail salon and get a manicure. That way your nails are in the best possible shape to put on press-on nails. So what I'm doing is taking my alcohol pad and I'm getting rid of all the dirt and oil. I've already washed my hands, but the alcohol pad is just gonna reinforce, and I guess I don't even think that's the right word. It's just gonna clean up the nail even more. Okay, and I promise I'm not sawing at my hands. It's just sped up so it looks a little bit rough, but you're just gonna gently shape up your nails. Look at me struggling. What you filing, girl? Stop biting your nails. Okay, so now I'm going to get to work on my cuticle area, and I'm going to be using an e-file. If you guys are interested in how to do this, I'll leave the links to some great videos right here. Okay, so I switched bits, and again, if you guys are interested in cuticle work using an e-file, check out these videos here. after all that cuticle work, I did not show this, but I did go over my nail plate with a diamond sanding bit. So that just roughs up the cuticle, not the cuticle, but it just roughs up the entire nail plate. So again, you want the nail plate to be rough instead of smooth, so the product has something to adhere to. This is the same with you're doing acrylics, and this is also the same when you're making press-on nails. You want to rough up that base nail so the products have something to stick to. So I just talked a whole bunch, but you saw me take the nail primer, and I go over my nails twice with the nail primer. So from thumb to pinky, and then go over it again. And then I'm taking a small amount of nail glue and just going in. It takes so quick, you guys. Now, if you're wondering why my hands are so white around my fingers, it's because I go a little bit in with the acetone and the alcohol. I want my nail beds to be so dry. I want them to be bone dry, so all of the products adhere to it without any issues. I just want that shit to stick. But do as I say, not as I do. If you're using acetone and alcohol to clean up your nail bed, only put it on your nail bed. Don't slather it all over your skin like I do. The best part is the transformation. Yes, we got some grown woman hands over here, you know, something cute, something casual to go to the grocery store, pick up some milk for the kids. If you like this look, you can shop it in my link down below in the description box. And I promise you guys, if you follow these steps, your press-on nails will stay on for weeks. Okay, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.